We probably haven't even begun to grasp it yet as far as the country is concerned. I have said to myself and to others that this is a Pearl Harbor again as far as the United States is concerned, because of the fact that it envisions a whole change in our lifestyle, a whole change in the way this country has been built. And I think that there's no question but what our national leadership and the economic leadership, the business community leadership of our country is one that has really let us down.
Yeah. That's what was said in 1973, guys, when oil prices were going to the roof. The leadership let us down. God damn, what a timeless statement it is. Back in 1973, that actually pertains today to 2024. No surprise, Clinton is on the pedophile list of Epstein, but how Biden and his son were able to erase their names off that list will remain to be the fucking mystery. But not to get off the subject here any longer, let's focus on the oil prices, because that is what's going to make you guys 100x if you trade oil with 13 market moves. In order for you to understand this very simple trade, okay, let's go back in history to 1971, 1973, 1978, 1980, guys. What happens to the price of oil? It goes nowhere but higher. Based of our analysis of current market conditions, we're here, okay? You are not even at any oil embargo, okay? And there's going to be no oil embargo. What I am, though, going to say is that current market conditions are such that clearly unveil United States' position on what will take place in the next few years, and that is clearly war, more war, and more fucking war all over the world. Right now, we have potentially two wars developing, one in Ukraine, one in Israel, but there is possibly 5 or 6 more war fronts that are about to unveil. So if you pay very close attention, so from 1971, look at this huge spike in oil prices. I mean, they more than double. And then look here, they more than fucking double again, okay? We're about to go through such a formation to where oil prices could literally hit in 2024, $150, $200 fucking dollars. Because if we were to draw a line, okay, now this is not a chart to bore everyone to death. This is not like very detailed, but this chart stresses, okay, the word Iran. Iran, okay. I mean, if you focus just on this words, okay, what is the most common word you listen in the news today? Iran. Well, it's Iran. It's Houthis, Iran, it's the Red Sea, it's all that shit that's going on, okay? Well, I mean, this is a chart, right, that's supposed to, like, cut out all the possible words, okay? But yet, the two most commonly used words right here on this chart while oil is going to the fucking roof is what? Iran. Guys, Iran is going to be the most commonly, probably mostly used word in the media in 2024, okay? And if you just to use this simple analogy I'm revealing to you right now, it spells higher prices for oil, okay? Yes, we are predicting a slowdown in the economy worldwide. Yes, we are predicting stagflation, but if you study the roots of stagflation, it means fucking prices on oil go to the moon while the economy is slowing down. And it's partially why the economy is slowing down. Okay? Now, surprisingly, an average Wall Street analyst cannot make up his fucking mind about what oil is going to do. And that is why I believe oil options prices are severely undervalued right now, okay? So if we're to draw a line right here, let's say it was an actual chart, okay, which this chart only demonstrates the spikes on oil dependent on world catalysts. But guys, there's a lot of things right here should be renamed, like, okay, United States interfering in the Middle East, instead of Russia invading Ukraine, should fucking say here, United States, okay, trying to fuck with Russia just to see if Russia, how good the capability of Russia utilizing their weapons against the United States military and European military. Guys, like a lot of these bullshit, it's fake as shit, okay? The names and the way they name all this crap here, but from the trading standpoint, okay, none of that matters. What you really want to focus on, okay, this is what's about to happen to the price of oil, okay? But, I mean, this is just, they mention it, the word war, right? Which we already know. I'm going to tell you why we know for a fact the war is about to happen. Like, it's just, you don't have to be, you know, a rocket scientist to figure this out. I'm going to give you one fucking reason why this is a fact that we are right here on this chart in just a second, so bear with me. But more importantly, to understand, there's a reference of one war, there's a reference of another war, okay? We're about to go into 5, possible 6 war fronts, okay, at the same time in the next 24 months. So I think not only we're going to take this level out, but look, the highest level, right, the mark is global financial collapse, when right before the fucking oil hits the moon. I mean, the market is about to really make a major pullback, and I have 100% confidence that institutional investors, they're going to come in and they're going to buy the pullback. We're nowhere near that point yet. As general consensus dictates, but we're going to see oil prices way above this level. So not only are you going to see this, you're going to see fucking this. Oil is going to go in 2024 to the highest fucking level you have ever possibly imagined. And this is going to be very contradictory with the next slide I'm about to show you. So here's an absolute 100% proof United States is going to multiple war fronts, okay? It learned its mistake from the 70s, right? In the 70s, United States was not manufacturing a lot of its own oil, so therefore, we had the oil embargo. I mean, oil prices just went to the moon. And this is how we know United States is preparing for a World War III, okay? It is actually pumping, guys, that's public information. Go look it up. Go Google it right now, okay? How much oil does the United States pump? Well, what we're seeing is about 13 million barrels a day. Okay, and they're saying, look, it can hit 14 million. It can hit 14 million, right? So there goes another United States bullshit. Oh, what about the climate? The climate bullshit change. Let's go all electric. Let's go all fucking. I'm telling you, Republicans are gonna win the election in 2024, and that means another huge catalyst for oil to go even fucking higher. But I think oil could hit this 150 level, 200 level before we even face the election. So U.S. oil production hits all-time high. Yes, it's conflicting the effort to cut heat trap and pollution. Yes, but it's all a gimmick. Do you really believe? Yeah, I mean, look, things are the way they are. You're not going to change it as an individual. It doesn't fucking matter. Just trade it. Just fucking trade it, okay? Because if you're not going to trade it, somebody else is going to trade it. Somebody else. I mean, thank God the whole world is blind and the options are cheap, okay? At least take care of your family, okay? If you really want to make a meaningful difference in the climate change, well, make a shitload of this next oil run higher. I mean, it is like there's different ways to fight it, but guess what? You got a ton of money to go back up your cause. That sure makes your success with your cause a lot easier. So guys, oil is going to go to the fucking moon. It's highly contradictory. The economy is slowing down, which means the demand is supposed to go down. Well, based on the last job report, okay, that's very bullish for oil, but that's not why we believe. I mean, the job report is not going to send oil to $150, right? But guys, anyways, just go Google this shit. It's there. I mean, okay, United States officially is the highest producing oil country in the world for the first time ever. And why would that be? Well, let me just refresh your memory. This is how United States got fucked right here in the 70s, okay? And this is why. This is a preparation for multi-war fronts. I mean, the first sign that the United States was going to go to multi-war fronts was when the United States pulled the troops from Afghanistan, right? You knew when they pulled troops from there, it was trying to prepare for other for other wars. Sorry. Oh, fun fact, right? So we go long mRNA with 13 market moves like a few weeks ago in the 80s, right? The stock trades in the 80s. I'm like sending messages, buy calls mRNA. Stock goes from 80s to $115 a couple of days ago. And that's when I get fucking COVID again. So I'm sorry guys if I'm coughing in the video, but I'm trying to do my best here. So let's look at the charts. Enough of fun facts here. Let's see what's actually going on with the oil chart. Okay, so let's take a look at the facts, okay? We've got a bottom information here that resembles, well, I should really use the green on that. So I have a bottom information that I think is going to evolve into a reverse head and shoulders. This number one. Got bullish momentum on the MACD that refused recently to cross to the downside, avoiding a very bearish pattern around here. And we still have accumulation distribution. Basically, everyone who wanted to sell oil has fucking sold it, which means the upside now is the highest probability. That's the daily chart, right? Okay, now let's take a look at the weekly chart, guys, which is a much longer time frame. So those are the tops that were set during the initiation of the Ukraine war. Double top right there, right about a year later. And guys, we've done really, really well. I mean, oil holds this level, nice and smooth and easy. I think the next move in oil is we're going to have this blue line go to the moon right here. It's going to intersect the orange line. And the same thing here. I mean, we're very close. We're very close to oil going to break out higher. And before you know, oil is going to be at the 90. So the chart could be looking like this, right? And so now people are going to be saying, whoa, it's the double bottom, baby. And I'm going to have a smiley face because we told you so way before anybody fucking else did so. Which, you know, back in 2023, we were going through, going back to 2022, we caught the short on oil. We caught the short on oil. Was one of the best trades last year, short in oil. And again, here. So, guys, the biggest oil bear 13 market moves in 2003 were transitioning to a huge oil bull. And we're doing that at the moment where market is undecisive. And what I mean undecisive is probably 87% of analysts, they're bearish, and maybe 13% of people are bullish. So, guys, the market don't know where the fuck oil is going to go. We think it's going to go way the fuck up here. Now, the way you trade it, we've identified a strike price and a time frame which could pay you guys 100x on this trade on oil. Now, the big secret, it involves trading options on oil futures. So give us a call, guys. Make sure you have your account set up to trade futures. If you don't know how to do that, give us a call. We'll help you with that. Make sure you understand how to put an options trade on futures, okay, you can start doing that, guys. As low as your account's got $2,000, you can partake in this trade, guys. 100x times 2 grand, that's a $200,000 trade, okay? So don't miss your chance. We're gonna reveal this trade. You can go to the website right now, 13mmtv.com. We're gonna reveal this trade absolutely free for the next 50 people that will go click the button right there where it says schedule a call and sign up for the oil trade. 100x on oil trade, guys. All you have to do is click the button on 13mmTV website right now, and you can be a part of this huge trade. Don't miss your fucking opportunity. Let's roll. Click the button, damn it. Let's go.